everyone, my name is Fiona. Today we're going to be looking at these two words. They look the same and they almost sound the same, but they're different. Keep watching to find out what the difference is and to help improve your pronunciation and listening skills. Let's get started. First, I'll say the sentence quickly. Really listen. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. Now again, but slower. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. Okay, let's see the sentence. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. What words go in these two gaps? Any ideas? Well, the answer is I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. You can see that they look the same, but they mean different things. Now let's have a look at our two words. We have close and close. They are spelled in the same way, but they have different meanings and different pronunciation. It's what we call a heteronym. What's a heteronym? Two words, same spelling, different meaning, different pronunciation. Okay, let's start with the meaning and pronunciation of our first word, close. Close is an adjective. It means that something is near to me. I have two sentences to help show this. The first one, you're standing too close to me. The person is too near. They're taking up my room, my space. It's a physical distance. You're too close to me. The second sentence isn't a physical distance, but an emotional one. My mother and I are very close. My mother isn't here right now. We're not physically close, we're emotionally close. We have a very good relationship. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. The word is close. Repeat after me. Close. Close. Now let's look at the meaning and pronunciation of our second word, close. Close is a verb, an action word. It means to shut. The opposite is to open. I have two sentences to show you this. First one, please close the window. I'm cold. I'm asking you to shut the window. Sentence number two, I close my eyes before I sleep. I close my eyes before I sleep. Now let's have a look at pronunciation. Repeat after me. Close. Close. Now let's have a look at our main sentence. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. We've looked at close and close, but let's not forget I'm and I'll. I'm close, I'm near to the door, so I'll close it. I'll shut it. I will do it. Okay, let's practice. I'm going to say it slowly to start, and then we'll speed up. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. I'm close to the door, so I'll close it. Well done. Great job, guys. You got some awesome listening and pronunciation practice in today. If you want to leave a comment to let me know what you thought of this video, leave them down below. And as always, I'm really, really thankful for my students' support. I'll see you in the next video.